I feel very proud working with Auckland Rail Network project, which is improving the network for CRL. Once the project is over, the number of rails available every minute would be much more. It will be a much better rail network. Aucklanders are generally away during public holidays and long weekends. Rail works involve cutting the rail and doing the foundation again. Unlike roads, you cannot put detours on rail. I missed all of the holidays, but I'm very happy that we get some time during the year that Aucklanders are away and you can get your work through. It is going to be transformational for Aucklanders. The increased number of rails per minute is going to be something which Auckland has never experienced before, and we will have a much resilient network.